how to edit specific data types on Flow. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go ahead and show you the steps on how you can delete specific data types on Flow app. Well, to delete specific data types on Flow app, for example, you want to edit or delete your insight, right? If you tap on log your icon here, you'll be able to see today, right? If you head over to the arrow icon at the top left, or if you swipe towards the left, you'll be able to see different dates. You can proceed to edit it, and you can proceed to remove any that you have added or add another ones here. Similarly, if you want to change or delete your period dates, then you can tap on the calendar icon at the top right there, and now you can proceed to edit your period dates by tapping on it or changing it as well. So you can see edit period dates, tap on it, and now you can proceed to delete it and save it. So this is how you can easily delete specific data types. You can do so similarly for different data that you have entered in. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.